How are you? I haven't seen you in a long time. Where have you been?
Did you see me last year? This year?
No, I haven't. Are you okay?
New Year? You didn't see me?
No, I was crazy New Year's. So how you been? Everything good? Good. I've been coming to Stillwell on Saturdays.
When did we finish here?
The last Sunday in April. It's getting close that time, and then I moved down to Brighton. It gets too crowded for me here in the summer. I can't. It's too many people. I don't like it. I need peace and quiet. You know, that's why I love it here in the winter. It's solitude. I love it. So, everything good? Good. You see Louie? Who's that? Very good. That was great. Yeah, very good. Very good.
Hi.
Beautiful day.
I know. Look at how many donations we got so far. For the YI.
That's nice.
I'm with supporter from with Ginger.
That's very good.
You with YI too, right?
No.
But I enjoy you guys coming out and supporting us. Thank you.
Oh, anytime.
Give you guys credit for supporting us. Thank you guys. Really appreciate it. Especially the little ones. You guys did it.
Huh? I haven't seen him for years.
Louis working on Ocean Parkway.
He is?
Doing boardwalk. You know, where they're destroying it.
Uh-huh.